Updating your credit card on Fastly is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Fastly website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, locate the Billing or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account profile. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Billing Settings, find the option for Payment Methods or Credit Card Information. Click on this option to view your current payment details. Step 4. Update your credit card information. Enter your new credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Double-check the information for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information on Fastly. Keeping your payment details current helps ensure uninterrupted service.